I've been lucky enough to road test most of the models in the Jayco range by now, and I'm fascinated by how these homes on wheels all come together. So I've got my fancy safety vest and my safety goggles, and I'm going to take a sneak peek at the Jayco factory.
So today we're going to do caravans, pop tops. Hi Mika, how are you?
Hello, sorry to interrupt.
We're just about to do the tour. You're going to come on it with us?
Absolutely, I can't wait. So what are we looking at here? I can see a lot of sewing machines.
Yeah, this is what we call our sewing department. Up here, all your pop-top vinyls are welded and sewn and put together over there. All your upholstery covers, your curtains and seat covers are done here. All your camper tent sections are done down there.
So this looks like another very busy little area. What's happening here?
This is what we call filling, Mika. Those tables all got little holes on them in each corner. They put the foam over the top. Plastic over the whole top of the foam again, and that completely sucks the air out of the foam, which enables the foam to be put in the cushions very, very easily.
So this is how you're making the Jaycos comfy.
Yeah. And the other thing, we can keep our eye on the quality all the time. If you have a look at the quality of that,
yep,
you can see it's virtually perfect.
Perfect. This place is enormous. It feels like the size of a small city. How big is it?
We're about 100,000 square metres under cover.
How many acres is that?
On 50 acres.
That's not a small city, that's a massive town. It's so big you need your own traffic system. Wow.
The whole process on every line is like a jigsaw puzzle. It's the same process all the time. There's a module section in here, a module section in the caravan line, pop-top line, motorhome line and Starcraft line. The only difference is the walls.
Right.
Some have aluminium walls and some have fiberglass walls. In there, that's where all the Laminex is cut and the routers route them out. The door fronts for all the campers, caravans and pops. We do approximately 7,500 doors a week.
Wow. That's a lot of doors. Well, this is another very busy area. What are we looking at?
Mika, this is the pop-top line. Well, they're doing expanders at the moment. Over the last couple of years, the pop-tops have become very, very popular. It would be our biggest selling item at the moment. We produce 90 pop-tops a week. We're about to go into lamination, where all the walls are made. You can see here, that's a piece of the wall. It's ply, styrene foam, ply and fiberglass. It's virtually hail and din free. I'll just show you how strong it is.
Gave it a good whack. Even I couldn't damage that.
But the only time you can damage it if you spike it, and then you can fill it or bog it like a motor car or a boat. But it is that strong, it's hail and din free. This is lamination. This is where all the walls come out. They're all routed out, the windows and the doors. Then they're put onto trolleys. The stickers and the windows are put on in here. They then go down to the line where they're screwed on. Behind us here is where all the fiberglass and walls are laminated, and behind that is where all the frames are done. The next room, it's kept at 21 degrees permanently, otherwise the lamination won't take effect.
How long does it take, say, for an expander to actually be made from beginning to end?
Well, we're doing 90 a week, divided into 38, so one every 20 minutes.
Wow.
Roughly. I don't know how my maths are.
So this is all very fancy. I see lasers, I see tin, I see foam. What's happening?
Up here you've got strobes, and they put the model of the caravan or pop-top into the computer there, and where all those yellow lines are, they put these strips of tin. The engineers have designed all this. They can't make a mistake. Once that's in your line there, you know everything's done.
So a lot of work goes into making just a wall of one of these caravans?
Yeah, a lot of technology too. This is the start of the process of the jigsaw puzzle. The chassis comes in here, all the plumbing, the floors put on, the vinyls put on, and then that centre section there where all the modules and everything like that are, they go onto your caravan. They're on a little railway line, they push along until they get to the end, where they go down and get the roof on them, around to be sealed, and then under quality and everything like that, they go out the next door. As we go around, you'll see quality gates hanging from the roof, There's team leaders there. They check the work of the workers for quality, and then as the vans are finished, they're checked again for quality.
So no one can mess up.
We try not to.
So when was Jayco actually founded?
Jayco started in 1975 down here in Cranbourne. It's had a couple of moves, and now we're here under one roof. We used to be all bits and pieces everywhere.
And is it fully Australian owned and run?
It's owned by one man, Jerry Ryan, and his family.
It's very fascinating to get a behind the scenes look at how these Jaycos come together. Can anyone do this tour?
Anyone can do the tours. We do them every Tuesday and Thursday, 10 a.m. in the morning, but you have to book.
All right, have to book. Now, you guys, have you decided which Jayco you're going to have? Okay, let's go get a coffee. Talk about
All
it.
right, let's go.